everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to study about two other important occupation of the tribals. Yesterday we had discussed about two important occupation, right? First was shifting cultivation. Second, we had discussed about the gathering forest goods and also hunting animals. Today we are going to discuss about two important other occupation, that is third one, that is herding of animals. Herding of animals in the sense rearing of animals. And the fourth one, that is settled cultivation. So these are the important four occupations that the tribal people were engaged. So first we had discussed about shifting cultivation. Second, we had discussed about gathering the forest goods and hunting. Third, that is herding. And fourth one, settled cultivation. So let's start two important occupation, that is herding of animals and settled cultivation. First, we will discuss about herding of animals. Herding of animals in the sense rearing of animals. Many tribal people, they were engaged in rearing of animals. So they were pastoralists. They were known as pastoralists, means they moved with their animals from one place to another place in search of grass. So in search of the grass or new land for feeding the animal, they move from one place to another place and according to the cycle of seasons. So whenever one place the grass exhaust, they moved to the another land. This way, pastoralists, they were the herders of animals with their herd. There were many such tribal people in India at that time. First, they were one of the important tribal people. They were engaged in herding of animals. They were Van Gujars of Punjab. Next one, Gaddi Shepherds of Kullu, Bakarwals of Kashmir, and Labadis of Andhra Pradesh. These were some of the important tribal people. They were herders from their ancient days. First, I have told you which were they. The first important, they were the Van Gujars of which place? Punjab. Second, Labadis of Andhra Pradesh. Third one, that is the Kullu. In Kullu, Gaddi Shepherds, or they were known as Gaddis of Kullu, and fourth one, Bakarwals of Kashmir. These tribal people, they were mainly engaged in herding animals. Okay, so they move from one place to another place according to the cycle of seasons. Now, fourth important occupation, they were settlers or settled cultivators. So settled cultivators means they were settling in one place and cultivating the crops. This was one of the another important occupation of the tribal. And that type of tribal people from their ancient days onwards or from the descendants onwards, they were settling on one place and cultivating the crops. They were not moving from one place to another place. So such people were settlers. These settlers mainly Mundas of Chota Nagpur area, they were settled cultivators. They were engaged in cultivating crops by settling near to the field. So that type of tribal people were also existed during those British period in India. Those who settled on one land, on the same place and cultivating the crops, they were settlers. So gradually the land, the right of the land or the ownership of the land which came upon or which fall upon that clan. Suppose Munda clan got the right on that particular land. So such type of tribal people, they were not moving from one place to another place like shifting cultivators. And some people, some of these tribal people, they were settlers, they did not cultivate themselves. But they had given that land for the other people to cultivate. So they had given on rent to cultivate. So like that group also, they were engaged such type of cultivation at that time. But this was one of the another type of cultivation or one type of fixed cultivation they did. Now, anyhow, when British came to India, they had considered Santals and Orions as the most civilized group of tribal people in India. They had considered Santals and Orions as the most important civilized group, tribal people in India. And those who were living in the forest, they had, or the tribal people who were living in the forest, they considered these tribals as the savage and uncivilized. So they wanted to make them civilized. So those who were in the forest, British considered them uncivilized and savage. So these 4 occupations that the tribals were engaged in, we had discussed, which were they? First, shifting cultivation. Next one we had discussed about hunting and gathering. Third, we had discussed about herding the animals. Fourth one, settled cultivation. Okay. Next, we have to analyze about another important topic. That means how these people were affected by the colonial rules. That we have to study in the next following session.